Hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can book any accommodation through Revolut, and also use the ref points for that. What is the ref points and how to obtain them? I did another video where I explain you everything about this, so you can check it there. And now we are ready to go for a vacation, for example. So just hit on the main menu of Revolut. Just hit on lifestyle, okay? And it says for holidays archetypes. Oh wow, this is amazing, right? No, I'm gonna go even shopping. You can use these ref points, but let's say we are gonna go for a vacation to booking in stays. We hit there, and where we are going, I don't know. It's just an example. Just say I'm going to Dubai, and it says Dubai. Okay, which dates? One day? No, for example, from 10 of August till 15, okay? 5 days. I will say confirm. Okay, so August 10 to 15. One room, 2 guests. No, because I will travel alone. So just one. Confirm, and just in Dubai, yes. And just hit search. So it's gonna give you like a Grand Cosmopolitan hotel, about 440 euro. But what's happening here? Pay with points. If I pay with my rep points, I will have a little discount of this statement. Also here we can check about the free cancellation if we want, the pay at property, or to just book entire homes. And also in this button we have the filters of, for example, free cancellation only, pay at property, as I said. And my budget is 0 for 1000 per night. Okay, no, this is too much, man. As much I wanna pay 140 per night. Okay, a lot for me. You have more filters, so just show results, and we can filter through this price. Okay, and this is in offer, so just hit on this one. Okay, number of outdoors pools, the amenities of the hotel, free valet parking, full service spa service. Wow, this looks amazing. Sauna. Oh, I like it. This will be the price, 400 baht with rep points. I don't have to do anything, just automatically they're gonna add my rep points. Okay, I cannot use if I want. Let's see now. Expedia, I will say choose rooms. In this case, superior room. Okay, we have different ones. I will say superior room, select, and Grand Cosmopolitan, price for 4 nights. As you can see, point discount, I have 79. If I want to save and don't use my rep points in this purchase, I can select in the left, use it 0. So what I'm gonna pay is a full price of this booking. Here, travel information, my traveler name, my phone number, my email, everything about the room I have select. I pay with euro, that I don't have sufficient balance for that. Check in from 2 until 5 a.m. Check out until 12. Minimum guest age is 18. You will be asked to pay the following charge at the property. Deposit of 200, whatever, I don't know which currency is that. But it's gonna explain you everything. And if I have enough money, I will say pay here. But it says add money because I don't have enough to pay that. But this is how you can book an accommodation and use your rep points to make even cheaper the final price. Hope you like the video. Smash the like button, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.